Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're diving into the timeless world of vintage motorcycles. Let's ride through the past and discover which one might steal your heart. Number 1. 1978 Honda Goldwing for $5,000 in Riverview, Florida. The first stop on our list is the 1978 Honda GL1000 Goldwing, a true touring legend. Back when chrome ruled the road and bikes had real muscle, the Goldwing set new standards in comfort and reliability. This one has just under 45,000 original miles, meticulously maintained with a new timing belt and fresh tires. Even with some small chrome chipping on the timing covers, it remains a beautiful time capsule of the late 70s. The flat-4 engine purrs effortlessly, offering that smooth, confident ride Honda became famous for. If you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of Honda history, this Goldwing is a clean, classic, ready-to-ride example of what motorcycling used to be and still should be. 2. 1948 Royal Enfield G350, $10,000, Brentwood, Tennessee. From Japan, we travel back even further to post-war England. This 1948 Royal Enfield G350 is pure heritage. Hand-built in Redditch and exported through Whitehall distributors in New York, it carries the true spirit of British craftsmanship. Everything is original, just as it left the factory in 1948. It still runs, though it'll need new tires before hitting the road again. 2 owners only, both obviously caretakers of history rather than riders. If you appreciate authenticity over perfection, this Enfield is a museum-worthy gem that deserves to live on, either on display or out there on the open road, thumping proudly through time. 3. 1975 BMW R90S, $12,000, Watkinsville, Georgia. Next, we have what many call the original superbike. The 1975 BMW R90S wasn't just fast, it was revolutionary. With its 898cc boxer twin and sleek aerodynamic fairing, it combined touring comfort with racing DNA. This survivor has been lovingly maintained by Boxerworks, retaining its original paint, striping, and classic white text instrument cluster. Even the matching clock and voltmeter are intact. It's rare to find one this complete, with both underseat and under-cowl toolboxes still in place. The R90S is smooth, balanced, and incredibly well built, proof that in the 70s, BMW wasn't just building motorcycles, they were engineering experiences. 4. 1984 Kawasaki GPZ 900, $8,500, Haltom City, Texas. Feel the need for speed? This 1984 Kawasaki GPZ 900 is the Top Gun bike, the same model Tom Cruise rode in the legendary movie. The GPZ 900, or the first Ninja 900, was a technological marvel for its time. Its 908cc inline-4 engine produced over 110 horsepower, incredible back in the 80s. This one has 58,000 miles, a clean title, and an aftermarket exhaust that adds a throaty, aggressive tone. Its iconic red and gray paint still turns heads everywhere. For collectors or movie buffs, it's a dream machine. A true slice of pop culture and motorcycle evolution in one sleek aerodynamic package. 5. 1976 Honda Goldwing, $4,700, Naples, Florida. Another Goldwing makes our list, and for good reason. This 1976 Honda GL1000 in candy and Taurus red looks like it just rolled out of the factory. Always garage-kept and babied, it's one of the cleanest examples out there. Powered by Honda's legendary flat-4 engine, it offers smooth, quiet performance, even by today's standards. The original KN carbs have been perfectly tuned, and every chrome piece shines like new. It even includes the original Kickstarter leg, tucked away but ready if needed. With its comfortable touring seat and distinctive red finish, this Goldwing is both a reliable ride and a conversation piece for any collector. Six, 1954 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $14,500, St. Augustine, Florida. Now for something truly American, the 1954 Harley-Davidson FL Panhead. Celebrating Harley's 50th anniversary that year, this Panhead has a mix of OEM and aftermarket parts, including a Linkert M75 carburetor and 1955 heads. The seller has owned it for over 30 years, and it's clear this bike has been cherished. The Panhead's iconic engine and styling defined the golden age of Harley design. With that deep, slow rumble, it's more than just transportation, it's poetry in steel and chrome. If you've ever dreamed of owning a genuine Harley legend, this one captures the very essence of American motorcycling. 7. 1977 Yamaha XS750 2D, $4,800, Dallas, Texas. Moving back to Japan, we've got the 1977 Yamaha XS750, a machine that brought triple-cylinder power to everyday riders. This one's been fully refurbished to original condition. From exhaust to carbs, everything's in excellent shape. It's ready to roll, whether as a daily rider or a weekend cruiser. Smooth, dependable, and full of character, the XS750 offered a balance between sport and comfort. It's one of those bikes that remind you riding is supposed to be fun, not complicated. Affordable, classic, and reliable, that's Yamaha's magic. Number 8. 1980 Suzuki GS, $3,000, Leeds, Alabama. The 1980 Suzuki GS might be one of the best entry-level classics you can still buy today. This well-kept example has fresh Dunlop tires with under 200 miles, new valve cover gaskets, synced carbs, and rebuilt front forks. In other words, it's ready to hit the road. The 4x2 exhaust setup gives it a satisfying growl without being overbearing, and the brown finish gives it a humble but timeless look. If you're looking for a vintage daily ride that won't break the bank, this GS is a perfect start. Reliable, simple, and full of 80s charm. 9. 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140, $3,000, Sarasota, Florida. Next up, we head back to the British Isles with the 1979 Triumph Bonneville T140, the last of the true classic Triumphs before the brand went through major changes. This Florida-owned Bonneville is clean, titled, and runs beautifully. The parallel twin engine delivers that unmistakable Triumph sound, smooth yet raw, refined yet full of attitude. It's simple, elegant, and nostalgic, a perfect weekend ride for anyone who appreciates the golden age of British engineering. 10. 1945 Indian Chief EU, $29,500, Georgetown, Texas. Finally, we close with royalty, the 1945 Indian Chief EU. This CDE show-winning restoration was completed in the mid-80s by Bill Amol and still shows incredible craftsmanship today. With a few chips and light patina, it carries just the right amount of character. Its 74 cubic inch V-twin engine runs strong, with that deep, throaty sound only an Indian can make. The blue paint, flowing fenders, and sweeping handlebars create one of the most beautiful silhouettes in motorcycle history. The Chief isn't just a motorcycle, it's a national treasure on two wheels. And that wraps up our tour through 10 timeless machines that defined vintage style. Which one would you love to ride or add to your collection? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more classic motorcycle finds every week. Until next time, keep the engines running and ride safe.